everyone and welcome to another episode of the EFRA podcast series. I'm Urania Dinu from Reino, the partner responsible for EFRA's outreach and impact. EFRA is an EU-funded project that aims to transform food safety, shifting from reaction to prevention. Using cutting-edge data analytics and AI, EFRA gathers and processes a vast amount of data in order to predict potential risks before they happen, enabling faster and smarter decisions across the food supply chain. In today's episode, we are honored to welcome Iraklis Posnakidis, Engineering Manager at Agroknow, and we will have a very insightful discussion on one of the EFRA platform's components and key project result, the Data Analytics Marketplace. So, hello Iraklis, and thank you for joining us today.
Hello Rania, I'm very happy to be here with you and answer any questions you might have.
So, to start off, can you tell us a bit more about your organization, but also your role in the EFRA project?
Of course. Agroknow is a food safety analytics and food risk intelligence company founded in Greece in 2007. Our mission is to help food safety professionals ensure safer food for consumers worldwide. Now, as for my role in the EFRA project, I'm the software engineer and lead of the EFRA Data Analytics Marketplace. My job is to design the architecture of the marketplace application, to coordinate with the rest of the engineering members of the EFRA project, and ensure the smooth integration of the EFRA platform components with the marketplace.
So you're the best person to ask about marketplace.
I guess so.
We know that is one of the EFRA results and as I said, part of the EFRA platform. What exactly is a data marketplace in the EFRA context?
Great. The Data and Analytics Marketplace basically is a web application that connects all the EFRA platform components and provides a cutting edge and friendly UI and UX so that any user may easily buy and sell data by utilizing various combinations of all the EFRA platform components. For example, a user may publish their own custom and map dataset and list it immediately for sale to other users of the marketplace. Or another scenario is that a user can pay in order to upload their own dataset and run real-time any one of the available AI models of the platform and download the results.
Talking about the users, so who will be able to use this marketplace? Are we talking about food experts, food companies?
Exactly. The EFRA Data and Analytics Marketplace has been envisioned to be used by as many food scientists and food companies as possible in order to provide a user-friendly interface via which any user may instantly and very efficiently exchange data in order to ensure, as I previously said, safer food for everyone.
So why would the food expert or a food company utilize the EFRA marketplace, or what are the benefits?
Okay, well, this is partially covered by my previous answer. A platform like the EFRA Data Marketplace provides data transparency, data sharing flexibility, and highly valuable collaboration among food scientists and food sector stakeholders. So imagine there is a world where everyone shares data and all food scientists and companies get the value of all those data that are shared. So romantically and, if you like, ethically speaking, the goal of the sacred mission to ensure safer food for everyone may get achieved more sooner than we may expect.
You mentioned that everyone could contribute with data. So, when we are saying that everyone can do this, are we talking also about smaller producers or smaller food businesses? And how these are able to contribute to the marketplace, and what are the incentives for them?
That's a very interesting question, and undoubtedly, smaller producers and food businesses will benefit from the flexibility via which they may access food safety data and insights that will help them take important decisions regarding their supply chain and their production. On top of that, it would be greatly beneficial for their part to publish and list for sale any potential data they may have. So, to wrap up, you do not have to be exclusively a global scale food manufacturer to benefit from the value the marketplace provides, but you can also play your part in further advancing the food safety sector, even as an individual.
It's really important to see that we build platforms and we develop technologies with an inclusive character. Now let's turn to the dynamics within the marketplace. So all these users, how will connect and interact with each other?
Okay, so quite important specification of the data marketplace is the fact that a user may utilize the marketplace application both as a provider and as a consumer. That means that a user may publish their own custom datasets and list them for sale, so that others can instantly download them and have access to those data. Now, in case there are any other questions or clarifications that are needed, the buyer can contact the seller via product-related forms within the application.
So we see a lot of data transactions here. I'm curious what kind of data would be shared on the platform, if you can give us some examples as well.
Yes, of course. You know, what is really important and useful is the fact that there is a plethora of kinds of data that are shared via the EFRA Marketplace. And there is no limitation to the nature of those data. The data may be historic raw data, lab test results, predictive data, and lab tests. Now, indicatively, data kinds may include forecasts regarding poultry pathogens, forecasts regarding pig pathogens, poultry mortality rates, poultry weight life cycle and anomaly detection, or even mycotoxin-related lab test data.
So we see that we have a diverse set of data about different ingredients, products of the food industry. Very impressive. Now let's talk about the front-end interface of the platform. Could you share with us the main features of the interface? And how do you ensure that are easy to use by non-experts?
Yes, of course. First of all, the EFRA Data Analytics Marketplace consists of a closed system and requires a user that is registered. Then, once registered and logged in, a user may utilize this platform from the scope of the consumer via 5 specific usage scenarios. Those scenarios are the data trading. Another scenario is acquiring an AI model, meaning to download an AI model in order to run it on your own system and generate your own results. Another scenario is to immediately upload your own custom dataset and run real-time one of the available AI models in the marketplace. The fourth scenario is to discover and getting access to support decision dashboards that may help you in taking decisions regarding your production and your supply chain. And finally, discovering and getting access to APIs containing global food safety data.
A lot of options for the
users. Yes, of course, there are many users. And bonus, from the scope of the provider, a user, as I previously stated, may upload their own custom dataset, map it according to the EFRA semantic backbone and immediately list it for sale to all other users of the marketplace.
Very interesting. My next question may be a bit tricky. So what makes the EFRA Data Marketplace different from other platforms or systems out there?
Very interesting question. The essential difference and value of the EFRA Marketplace is the fact that any user simply registers in the application in a very user-friendly interface via which they buy and sell food safety data that they're interested in spite of buying, for example, a whole product that delivers, how can I say it, a broader selection of services that in many cases comes along with higher package costs and potentially any contracting form. Now, on the provider side, anyone may sell any of their food safety data by easily and quickly listing them via the application. Now, as you understand, both functions lead to a highly effective and fast interchange of food safety data among stakeholders.
So in one word, we would say that the flexibility is the main
exactly.
feature. Now looking ahead, how do you see the EFRA platform and its data marketplace changing the way we manage food risks across Europe?
Okay, I'll try to phrase it as simply as possible. Well, I estimate that the EFRA platform and its data marketplace will bring a new era where high-end scientific data are brought to light and easily shared among all food safety-related stakeholders across Europe. This, of course, will result in greatly optimizing food manufacturing and taking timely decisions to manage food risk, but also prevent as many as possible, thus and ultimately ensuring safer food for every consumer across Europe and even worldwide.
EFRA has a big mission.
Of course, the greatest.
Thank you, Iraklis, for this very engaging and insightful discussion. It's clear that the EFRA Data and Analytics Marketplace will be a transformative step towards a collaborative and proactive food safety industry across Europe.
Thank you very much, Rania, for having me here. And I hope I have efficiently shared the vision we have in order to ensure safer food for everyone.
Also, thank you all for being with us today in another episode of the EFRA podcast series. Stay tuned with us for our next episodes that we will explore more aspects of the EFRA platform and the project overall. Don't forget to follow us on social media and visit our website for more insights on AI and food safety. Let's make our food safer together. Stay tuned.